And Whitiki here here ngā muka tangata, he here e kore nei e motukia. Nau mai hoki mai ki tēnei whakāturanga o Local Gecko Productions ki te 21st Māori Rangatahi Rugby League Tournament here being played here in Rotorua. I'm Te Ahika Chopin, I'm joined here live by...
Kia ora, my bro, Adam. Yes. Sorry, brother, left you hanging there, my man. But yes, I am here next to you, bro, and we're watching the brothers kick it off on the field. Nice way to enter the match.
And just for everyone at home, the rules on the haka. You have to stay behind the 40-metre line or your team will be penalised. And yes, we are back here live on Local Gecko Productions, Kotahitanga versus Te Whanganui. Pre-game pump-ups for both teams. This one looks to be a cracker. Get your drinks, get your popcorn. Don't drink too much. Witness this game live, and yeah, should be a cracker of a game as I've said so far.
It's a great opportunity for these 19 boys to be a part of this as well, to be even live streamed. Awesome opportunity, but yeah, it'll be a great game. I think if there's one person I do know when I look at the team list for Kotahitanga, it's Nove Joel. I've seen him play the number 9. Strong runner of the ball, so if we're watching anyone today, he'll be one that the boys will have to watch.
And player to watch for Whanganui, I would say Tukaha Ashby at the fullback there, very dangerous coming out of his own end. And kickoff to the under-19s boys games has gone off, and the Horsies out in full force there. Second tackle, they run it just past the 40. And if you're just joining us, whānau, 21st Rangatahi Māori Rugby League Tournament being played here in Te Rotorua Nui a Kahumata Momoi. And we call a knock on here.
Yeah, not the way you want to start your game.
Absolutely.
You know, you want to complete your first set and get down the other end. And I think it was the man I just said to watch out for, over Doyle. So got a bit of making up to do now after that little bit of a mistake, but I'm sure they're good enough, and they'll be better next time to get to the end of the set. But a bit of pressure here now for them. Boys are going to come after them now.
As they pack the scrum, comes out the back, and he's tackled just after his 50. So they're in opposition territory. Oh, and they've dropped it again. Very unfortunate.
Just what you want after a mistake yourself is going after your opposition and trying to get them back. And then
And a penalty.
to rub it in, you get a penalty there. So both sides.
What was a dream turned quickly into a nightmare. And the Horsey boots it out, and they're in opposition territory, 40 metres. And look at the body language for both teams. One team looking keen to play up on defence.
Couple of big bodies out there, brother, bigger than me. Hey, far out. Couple of 19-year-olds. It's a great run there.
These blokes are only 18, 19. Might as well be grown men. And they go left. The backdoor play. Looking to run. And they're just before their 10-metre line. They're taken down. They're going to go right. Bring it to the centre of the field. Tackle 5.
A little bit of a setup play here, and just hopefully just roll it in there and try and get a repeat. Oh, 6 again. Oh, he's played on.
Oh!
He might have scored that.
They're going to check it with the touchies. Might quite possibly be.
I think the touchy might have called a knock on. Yes,
knock on. Unfortunate there.
Tell you what, they must have some good eyes. Must have some good eyes. But great work from our referees, doing a great job today, and they're all helping out for the same kaupapa. Doing an awesome job.
Remember, Tiwi, referee are human too. And they're trying to run it out of their own end. But beautiful driven back.
Good,
not sure, but I think Kotahitanga are the team in blue. And Whanganui are in white, black and green. The ref calls a penalty. Huge piggyback coming out of their own end.
I think Kotahitanga might be the green and white.
Green and white?
Yep. I think I might have picked that up from up here.
Please bear with us, Whānau. We are so far away from the field.
Yeah. That's the Kotahitanga colours.
Kotahitanga are the team in green, and Whanganui are the team in blue. And there's a nice little head up here. Gets him about 10 metres. They've got the number 14 out there. Rehimana Rehana playing dummy half. They're going to go out the back once again. Hop, skip and a jump. And he's taken down just inside the 20. Prime attacking football for Whanganui. He's got out of one tackle. Can't make it past the second. Meihana goes right to Arama Kite. And they go left. Oh, it's put out the back. They'll go right. Nice. Kick out the back from Ashby.
Oh, there's a try, bro.
And Ashby scored it. That's referee points at the spot. Ashby goes over for the first try of the game, and I called it. He's a very damaging player. Seen here on the One Foundation replay. Nearly made a meal of it on the last tackle. Kick in behind. Oh, very unfortunate not to hold the ball.
Nice little kick there from Ashby, putting in the pressure, but his kick's only as good as his chase, and those boys put some pressure on the Kotahitanga winger there to pick that up. Sometimes those are the toughest ones to pick up when you've got about 3 or 4 fellas coming towards you.
Why?
It's either you or them, and it's who wants it more, and just got very lucky there with the bounce of the ball. The football does that to us sometimes, and they both scored. Yep.
And Ashby is lining up his kick just right of the goalpost. 20 metres out. And the man bun and the mullet is out here tonight.
I'll tell you what, I've seen some haircuts around here today. They might be up there with one of the best ones.
It's a chance, Nickel Clockstead haircut.
That's
And he
it,
slotted it.
Maybe he's been watching a bit of NRL, Canberra Raiders.
Whanganui Atara go up by 6. And once again being confirmed, Kotahitanga are the team in white and green. Thank you to our good friend Hune Haunui Rapana for reminding us. And Whanganui Atara are the team in blue. Converted try the difference. 8 minutes gone in the game. And the big kickoff goes about 40 metres and bring it out of their own 20. The big fella. And they're going to look to go short right. Another good 10-yard carry. Oh, and they've got the offload away. Here they go down the right-hand touchline. Bit of a hamu play there by Malakai Hala. He had one unmarked out the right. Ashby.
Here he is, your man again.
Oof,
getting
surrounded.
hands on the ball, getting hands on the ball. It's a great sit here. Straight through the middle.
And Meihana nearly slits straight through them. Last tackle. They go left. Put a kick in behind.
Oh.
They've made a meal of it. Whanganui Atara will get the ball back 10 metres out from their own from the opposition line. Prime attacking opportunity here for the Whanganui Atara.
Just what you want as a coach coming off a try is scoring points, is get your set down the other end, build some pressure down there and hope for a mistake. And as you see the boys straight through the middle there, little shift to the right hand side, offload, and then a nice little kick at the end there and put them pressure on off the chasers and got the ball back. Good opportunity to hopefully get some points and capitalise on that.
And they're going to go right. Still going. That's number 3, Shane Inoka. Māori ra watu te raingwa. Oh, Ashby's put on his behind. What a shot. And they look to shove it out left.
What a run.
Huge run. Kwariroi ai a te piro. Rangi kui. Okay. Oh, ai ki te kaiwa, wow. Held up. 10 minutes gone in the game, Adam. How do you see the game so far?
Yeah, I'm liking what the Whanganui Atara team's doing, just completing their sets and getting down into the field position where they need to score points. They're building pressure here. It'd be nice if they can capitalise on this. Kotahitanga, a few errors, not managing able to get through their sets and putting some pressure down on the opposition. If they can get it out wide here, I would have liked to see them run, but that's a nice kick. Get up and try and compete on this.
Oh, that's gone back.
It doesn't matter, they're in a nice good field position here, but yeah, at the moment, Whanganui Atara is in the best position for this first 10 minutes. You can see now here Kotahitanga is a bit bunched, obviously put a bit of work in defence, a bit tired here now, so it's opportunity here for Whanganui Atara just to tighten up and just go after them here, try and create another error in them and build some more pressure. Some great defence here.
They look to shove it out right. Big run by number 12, Carlos Tarafiti. He plays the ball. Here's Doyle. He puts a kick in. Goes out on the full.
Tell you what, bro. I said Doyle. He hasn't done he's done a couple of made a couple of mistakes now, and some important ones too, especially in the first set. And then after they've just been under a bit of pressure, it'd be nice to maybe get into a better field position, try not kick that ball out of the full. But again, Whanganui Atara are building pressure on them and forcing them into those opportunities where they're making mistakes.
Yeah, you're right. Navajo Doyle had a shocker of a game so far, and you can put all that blame on Adam Blair at Iwi. He's put the commentator's curse on them.
Commentator's curse. Maybe, yep. just got to stay tight. You got to, when you make those errors, you just got to try and get off it pretty quickly. Think about what you got to do next to get your team back in the game.
And they're looking to shove it left. Oh, quite unfortunate there. Number 10, Arama Kite, puts the ball down. Oh, he's being lifted up by his teammates. Tawhiwhi Karaitiana. That's what you like to see. That's Te Kotahitanga.
I was about to say that even though he made a mistake, his teammates are there lifting him up.
That's what you like to see.
You want to see those guys. That's why you're a team. But yeah, you don't want to make those mistakes. Just took the pressure off Kotahitanga here. They're going to want to go down the other end, try and get to a kick. Use the speed on the outside. No
look at the speed. The horse is out in full flight.
Offload.
Oh, he's tripped up. Who was that? Number 4. Regan McGregor, or was it Teporia Marsh? We don't know. We can't see the numbers from here, TV.
He's lost the ball.
So unfortunate.
Just when you think Kotahitanga is building a bit of pressure, some great runs, great skill, great offload, they lose the ball now near the 20-metre line. Great effort here. Great run, great offload.
One foundation replay shows us a closer angle. So unfortunate.
He's got to hold this
to
ball.
Drop the ball here. Oh, he's looking to get it out the back. Can't blame the young fella for trying. And massive shout out to both these teams. Whanganui coming all the way down from Wellington area, and Kotahitanga coming down from Auckland. And this tournament wouldn't be made possible if not your sacrifices. Thank you for all the teams for competing here in this weekend's tournament. As we see here, Whanganui. It's tackle 3. They've just got no one out there directing traffic. It's a team effort so far. And good take there by Robin Herbert. Brings it back about 10 metres from where he caught it. And they go left. The horsey's back. Horsey can't get much room there to gallop. Oh, and there's another horsey. Tie them up, boys. There we go. Is that our first tied up horsey of the game? He gets the offload away. Number 9.
Oh, good contact there. Just got to stick on those.
Adams Man Doyle. And they get a penalty on the back of it. They'll get a full set in the 20. You'll have to imagine they're going to kick.
A little bit of work, but too much work in defence there on the ground.
Now they're going to take the quick tap.
Just need to get through this set here. Kotahitanga. Try and build some pressure down on
Build some momentum, build some pressure.
Run hard, get down, play the ball quick, and then they'll be able to spread it, but got to complete it here. Good, tight, strong carries. Oh. Gotta watch those tackles. I'll get to the post here, hopefully. We'll swing it at the back. They've got numbers if they go wide. Here they go. At the back again. Early hands. Oh, great read. That hit the bro's head.
Aroha mai again, whānau. We've been corrected. It's not Whanganui Atara or Whanganui. It's Whanganui Māori Rugby League Club.
Oh.
They've made a meal of it here on our list. But yes, apologies to all the Whanganui fans out there. I've been calling the team's name wrong for 17 minutes. As we're going to pack another scrum here. In the kupu Māori for scrum, once again, Kakari or Nonoke. There's a good run out there from dummy half, nearly gains 20. He's trying to take another dummy half dash, gets him about 4 metres. Nothing really happening here in this game.
Bit of an arm wrestle here. One team's trying to get a bit of ascendancy. Some strong carries though here. Strong carries getting into really good field position here.
Both teams just waiting for the game to crack wide open. Late in the first half, 7 minutes to go. Big bomb there. Safe hands from Te Manu. And Te Manu takes it down to their 30. Referee calls that okay. I thought that would have been a penalty for lying in the ruck, but he says it's okay.
Graham, been a long day for the boys. Been a long day for the boys. Sitting around, warming up again. Sitting around, warming up again.
So each team has played at least 2 games here today. And big run. Braver tackle.
He's got to go. He's got to go. Doyle has to run. Got to get behind that ruck.
Navo Doyle. And at dummy half they have
A little bit of a banana here. Banana kick.
Here's Ashby. Oh. Gains about 10 metres from the point he caught it. And Malakai Hala runs it out of dummy half. And now all the boys are back. Whanganui looking to make it out of their own end. That's 3 tackles wasted so far. Trainer's got to get off the field. What's he doing? Huge contact. He gets the offload. And there's another horsey. Come on, boys.
Need a good kick. Nice kick. Put some pressure on here. We got to go down.
Looking for the space behind him. Gets it.
See the Kotahitanga forwards walking back, looking tired. Been doing a lot of defence most of this game. Both teams. It's a nice strong run here. Hit those holes.
If you're Whanganui, that's what you're looking for to crack the game wide open. Going through the forwards. Tire out the other boys. And look to capitalise on that. But Kotahitanga looking to tie the game. They're down by 6. And great 2-man tackle drives them back a few metres. And they're going to go left.
Ooh.
Number 6, short ball, bit suspicious. And they call a penalty.
High tackle, eh?
On Whanganui. And once again, a real quiet game, only 6 points the difference. Try scored on the other end by Tukaha Ashby for the Whanganui side.
Big defensive set, big attacking set here for both teams. Defence needs to stay strong. Kotahitanga just need to put some points on the board. They want to try and score 4 minutes, 19 to go. Build a bit of pressure here, set up a play, and then maybe shift to this right here. They've got a bit of numbers, I think.
Oh, he nearly sneaks through the back of him.
Play at the back here.
They got Karimu and they go right.
Might go the long ball.
They got numbers. Oh, he runs over him. Robin Herbert goes over the line for Te Kotahitanga. And that brings the score to 4 points to 6. We see here on the One Foundation replay how the try happened. They spread it out to the right and got the lollies at the end of it. Through the hands, 1 hand, pair of hands, 2 pair of hands, 3, get off me. Try time. Malakai Hala, very ordinary defence.
Exactly what Kotahitanga were after coming down there after all the pressure defensively that they've been put on throughout this first half. Then coming down here, putting on a nice play, getting to the field position that they need to so that they can draw and pass and score on the wing there. They obviously sucked in a lot of the defensive players around the middle of the park, and the space was on the outside. Still had to score a try, still had to be a strong carry and score that one. And Robin Herbert, too big, too strong.
Now Henare Shushta looking to convert the try. Oh, sorry. Jordan Makiha. I'm reading the wrong names. It's been a long day at the office. And he's unsuccessful with the kick, no matter who it was. The kick was unsuccessful anyways. 6 plays for Whanganui, still in the lead marginally. Not long to go in the first half. As you can see on your screen, beautiful Rotorua. Look at the skies. It's getting sundown about that here in Te Rotorua Nui a Kahumata Momoi. But the boys will power through it. And Ashby looking to... They assume looking for a big kickoff. They go down to the corner. Fielded. And here's a run. Number 19, Sebastian Sua. There goes the halftime siren. They're going to look for one more dashing play. Nearly gets through them. Gets wrapped up. And that'll do us for the first half of this contest. Whanganui 6, Kotahitanga 4. No mai hoki mai e te iwi, we are back here live from Rotorua International Stadium. Live coverage for this game, Whanganui versus Kotahitanga. And Whanganui hold a 2-point lead, 6 plays 4 going into the second half. Thoughts on the game so far, Adam?
Yeah, been an arm wrestle. Both teams going at it. Not much, I guess, if we're looking for any enterprise plays, haven't seen too much yet. But we may tell in the back end of the second half and the skill, and that will come out hopefully in the second half. But a real grinding match, and both teams trying to find a little bit of ascendancy. Kotahitanga very lucky, got them a try. So I guess the score reflects on what the game's been, how the game's been played. So you know, it's a great opportunity again for these boys to go out there and just showcase their talent and ability, and being able to be watched.
Very smart rugby league mind next to me, Adam Blair. My name is Te Ahika Trotman, and as you heard before, I'm joined live in the studio by former captain of the Māori All-Stars, Adam Blair, for the second half coverage of this game. It's a very tight arm wrestle, as Adam said. Both teams looking to crack it wide open as the lights are about to come on here at the stadium. Will we see the lights? Let there be light. And I think it's another case of... Nope, look, they're bringing the tee out now. 6 plays 4 here in Rotorua between Whanganui and Te Kotahitanga. Under 19s men. At the 21st Māori Rugby League tournament played here in Rotorua. And we are underway. Huge kick down. And they've fielded it, running it back from their own 10. Gains about 10 yards. Make that 12. Number 3. Chicane Enoka. Oh, and they've gone through him. The big fella. Oh. Hold the ball, lad.
It might have only been the second tackle. Close to it. Again, they're finding a little bit of opportunity around the middle of the park, but just forcing their hand a little bit. As soon as you come off second half, you just want to get through this first set so you get yourself back in the game. And then they've gone and put themselves under a bit of pressure. Kotahitanga need to capitalise now. Put the pressure back on them. Here we go. Penalty. Ooh.
Penalty on Whanganui as Kotahitanga get another set inside the opposition 20. They'll look to take the quick tip here, you would think. Yep. That's a small big fella.
I think they're going to go for that similar field position that they did when they scored their first try. Take one here. Or are they going to play a bit here? There you go, back in there and then...
Oh, big fella runs straight through him.
What a run.
Number 3, Deporia Marsh crosses over for Kotahitanga. And once again, the horsies are out in full force. One Foundation replay gives us a better view of it. And as you see here, they shove it left. And running the line hard and strong. That's how you want your centres to run it.
It's great, and like I said earlier, that's where the space is around the middle of the park there. The boys are clocking off on the other side, and you're playing a nice play from Kotahitanga back through the middle there, but a strong run from Te Pōreo Marsh. Great try, strong run from your centre. Yet, like you said, that's what your centres, strong carries, get down, score a try, strong run.
And Adam's man to watch, Navarro Doyle, will line up the conversion just left of the post. He's been quiet so far, Doyle.
Yep.
But there's potential in him himself to crack the game wide open. And he's slotted the 2. Kotahitanga go up by 4. 10 plays 6 with just over 20 minutes to play in the game. Been quite an interesting start to the second half for Whanganui. Dropped the ball, got a line break, dropped the ball. And very unfortunate to let in a try on the other end by Kotahitanga.
Bit like the first half for Kotahitanga. First set off the kickoff, dropped the ball. Whanganui built some pressure on them. They drop it, but then they get the ball back and score a try. Kind of mimicking the first half as well. Again, it's important just to get to this next set, go long, build some pressure again. Don't give these guys an opportunity to come back into the game here. It's not a good way to start.
Oh, it goes out on the full. Comes more and more pressure for Whanganui. Penalty on the 50-metre line. You'd think they want to kick it. Get better field position.
I'll tell you what, they do that in the NRL still these days, bro. So he's not the only one that kicks the ball out on the full. I've seen plenty of NRL stars kick balls out on the full, but it is a coach killer offer. After getting points scored against, you want to get your kick down the end of the field, build some pressure. But that's a disappointing, kickoff.
You'd think they want to find another kicker after that one. Shocker.
Oh, and you got the whole field to kick to, and you kick to the sideline. Maybe kick it down the middle next time. I don't know. He may have to think about his options next time when he kicks that ball off. Hopefully they're not kicking the ball off too much, because that means they're getting scored against.
Well, we're not kickers, so we wouldn't know.
Oh, exactly, bro. But he's a nice strong
Oh, he's
carry.
gone through him once again. Marsh! He's going to go in again. Is that Deportia Marsh? Referee points at the spot. And the Kotahitanga score once again. One foundation replay gives us a better view. Very slow play the ball. They'll shove it left. Huge run from the big fella. Oh, it's a prop. Robertson Lepale.
So that's a great run. There was not much going on there, just more intent and determination to break those tackles. And sometimes that's all it takes in the game of rugby league is who wants the ball, how hard are you going to run, and are you going to get your body in front of me? And he just had more intent in what he wanted to do, and he saw that try line and he was going after it.
The game does not discriminate. If you want it, you got to go get it. 14 plays 6. It's been a dream second half start for Te Kotahitanga. Still well under 20 minutes to play in the game. And Doyle, oh, what a slot. We've seen a few of those so far this afternoon. We've seen a lot of shockers. Just under 20 minutes to play in the second half, with it being a 10-point lead.
Here we go. It'll be interesting to see where he kicks this one.
It's our man Ashby.
Straight down.
Oh, down the third. There it is. And here comes the try scorer. Hop, skip and a jump. He's got a bit of spring in his boot. Robertson Lepale. And they'll go right. Very short. Oh. Nearly got through there, Sebastian Sua. They'll go left.
Oh! Contact there, brother. He would have felt that one. Oh, standing over the top of this.
He'll feel that in the morning.
Just letting him know what's up.
Carl Kaidemu, what a shot. Carl, you cannot get through here. Set him down. And a chip over the top. Bit of creativity here from Te Kotahitanga, but to no avail.
It was a great set there from Kotahitanga. Just played real direct and simple behind the ruck there. Not much going on there. They go down to the right hand side there. Put a little chip on. I like that. Kids back in their ability. Men back in their skill. Little chip. Very unlucky. Didn't get to pick that ball up. Would have been an interesting finish to see if he got that ball and see how they finished up on that one. But very unlucky. Nonetheless, it's a great set.
Yeah, once again, very unlucky for Te Kotahitanga, but Whanganui feed the scrum and they get the ball. Oh, Ashby! What a run! Sits down as opposing fullback, Te Manu. And then he gets drives back a few yards. And there's another carry. He's pulled back 4 meters. And I know it's off topic of the game, but Wednesday night, State of Origin. Adam, who are you backing?
I'm a Queenslander, brother. I am a Queenslander, but here's a nice strong carry.
He's gone through.
Get down, play the ball here, and maybe go wide. Spread it wide. Got to execute this play though. There's the numbers. Oh, would have liked to see him just get a little pass a little bit wider there.
They're going to look for the backdoor option next play. There it is.
Oh,
he goes behind him. Ashby.
Little chip and
Ashby kicks it over the top. Ashby looking through. Oh, 1-on-1. 1-on-1. That's a try.
It's a try.
Try time for Te Kaha Ashby, and he gets a double
play on
in this game. Referee said all clean. Is he going to point to the spot?
Yep.
Whanganui shortened the gap. And One Foundation replay shows it best.
I don't know what happened there. I think someone else was in that tackle and he may have stole it. Ref was a little bit far back here. Here we go. Watch this one here. Commitment here. Oh, yes.
I do not want to jinx him, but this man, Te Kaha Ashby, is something special. And he will line up the kick.
It's a try, bro. It's a try. That'll build some confidence in their team.
Ashby lining it up just right of the post. Oh, he shanked it!
No.
Oh, no!
No.
I've put the jinx on him.
You could have chucked that over my bro.
Oh, I'm sorry, mate. I'm sorry, Tuka.
That was, again, we're not kickers, brother. But I feel that it was a gimme. It was a gimme. Obviously, kicks are harder than what we think under pressure circumstances. But they're in the game, and it gives them a bit of confidence now that they can go down there and bring some, build some pressure and score some points. But something out of nothing there, little chip and chase, bit of determination, went after the ball, got the ball back, try time.
And the kickoff goes down past the 20 and it's brought back. And they play the ball. Bringing it out of his own 20. Oh, he's dropped the ball. That's not what you want after you score some points. Very, very unfortunate from Whanganui. Kotahitanga, prime opportunities to put more points on the board.
I think we've spoken about this most of the game. About, completing your first set and getting through it. Try not to try and obviously build pressure, get down the other end, especially after scoring points. But both teams have been, making the same errors after points. But then gives Kotahitanga a bit of opportunity here now to go play some rugby league and score some points and put some more pressure back on Whanganui. So just with some nice hard direct running here, they're going to get to a front foot here and try and spread it out to the left.
Nathaniel Skelton plays the ball. Mouthguard's fallen out. Sewer.
Everyone's come over here to the left. Maybe a long ball. Benji Marshall, long ball. I reckon hit the winger on the chest. Long ball. Oh.
No, they go short.
Come down here, give me a Reece Walsh.
Reece Walsh.
Come down the short side here, give me a Reece Walsh. Chuck another cut out. Here we go. Numbers out to the right here. Hands. There it is.
There it is.
Oh, play on.
Through the hands. And he's going to cross over. Out on the right wing. It's Kieran Luke. Crosses over for Te Kotahitanga's fourth try of the game. As we see here on the set replay from One Foundation. And Te Kotahitanga, beautiful offense. Look at this ball. Jerome Luai.
I was calling all the Māori fellas' names in the sun, even claimed Reece Walsh as a Māori as well. Benji Marshall, Reece Walsh, someone show us a cutout. We get one out on the far right and they score a try.
You play for the Warriors, you're a Māori. Think you and Nate couldn't like that one?
Yeah. When they get home here, we'll claim him as a Māori as well. As long as the brothers are hearty, that's all that matters.
And that's going off topic. Te Kotahitanga up by 10 points. Whanganui very unfortunate off the kickoff. Just over 12 minutes to play in the game. And he'll line up the kick. It's a bit dark out there from where we're sitting.
It's always nice to see a couple of ex-NRL play in the background there, if you've seen that. Got Blake Ashford, Warriors player, Tigers, Sharks. It's great to see those fellas coming back around and just giving back to the kaupapa anyway. For our tamariki, all our boys, to see the likes of those guys around here supporting it. It's cool to see. And
we're waiting the kickoff to get back underway, and Our kupu for today is kick, whana. I whanaia ia I te poro. And here they come. Te Kotahitanga running with juice. And 11 minutes to be played in the game. Whanganui very much so not out of the game.
Tell you what, those lights, where's the marama, brother?
Let there be light.
The marama.
The marama, we got a bit of a crescent going on.
Doesn't stop the boys from playing rugby league, that's for sure.
Nothing stops rugby league, especially if you're a Māori.
Here we go.
And they kick in behind, they find space. Oh,
Here we go.
What a take, Ashby. Just over 10 minutes to be played in the game. Whanganui need a bit of momentum, need points here if they want to keep the game alive.
Critical set this one if they can. Oh,
and they've got the penalty.
Perfect. Just
The
what they needed.
bailout. We might witness a finish here.
Just what they needed, I think. Get down there, play some footy now. 9 minutes 50 to go. Just get to a nice field position. Run hard, get down, quick play the ball. As soon as you get a quick play the ball, try and get some momentum off the back of that and get it out wide to your wingers. But need to complete the set, hold the ball for starters. Nice strong carry there.
Big carry.
Another strong one, just got to run hard now.
And Whanganui, if they don't got a team name, I got a perfect one for them. The Whanganui Horsies. There's about 5 boys out there right now with horsies on the Whanganui side. And there's a mullet.
Here we go now, you got to run now, you got to run. Oh, in behind the ruck. Right foot,
Go left.
Right foot. Right foot again. There it is.
What an offload.
Right
Go straight.
Oh.
They're on a crossover. We have got a finish on our hands, Fete Whānau. Referee, is he going to point at the spot? He does. Brings it to a 1-try game. 1 foundation replay. Shows us a great angle. The mullet was taken down just before 20 metres out. And they shoved it left. Big right foot step. Found the man on the inside. Very ordinary defence under the post. And the boys from Whanganui. Down, not out.
Just what they needed in that set is just to get down the field, get a quick play of the ball, and just like that, run off the back of a quick play of the ball. Numbers on the ground. Right foot. Nice skill, good offload, good push, good support. Try. Didn't muck around with that kick either, just got it straight over. They know they want this game just as much as the Kotahitanga guys do. They're taking their time on their way back, but the refs called time anyway.
Well, Adam, if you're the Whanganui, if you're leading the Whanganui offence, what do you want from them with just 8 minutes to go in the game and you're down by 4?
Yeah, 8 minutes is a long time in rugby league, so this is important for them to get this ball back down and maybe put some pressure back down on the Kotahitanga team. Coming off their line would be a nice opportunity here if they can go down there, put in the corner, build some pressure, maybe cause an error and get themselves back in the game. It's only 16-20, still a long way to go. Be great to see them just complete this set. I guess that's much with the if I'm a coach, I'm asking them just to get through the set and complete it, get down the other end.
And once again, at Stefano, we have got a grandstand finish. Oh, it's a short kick.
Oh, you can't grab that.
He's got to let that one
you
go.
can't grab that either.
And it's going to be a penalty to Whanganui.
I thought Whanganui were going to grab their ball then. You can't grab a ball.
And the Chihus are out in full force out here in Rotorua.
I'm going to make sure that ball goes out. Nice.
He's sure of it. 30 metres out. 7 minutes to play.
They can set up that same play again. One in, run hard. They'll do it again here.
Eti, we grab your popcorns. Oh, he's dropped the ball and they're away.
They're going to call a penalty.
Number 3, Te Poria Marsh. Oh, they call a penalty.
They've called a penalty here. That's a great effort, though. Both players going all the way. That's what... You got to play to the whistle. You got to play the whistle. They didn't hear the whistle, but
that
both.
Never say die attitude from both those players running it up the field.
I'll tell you what, that was a great try, even though it wasn't a try, but then at the same time, the chase back, that's what you want to see in the game of rugby league. Bit of mana, bit of mana, chase it back, don't give up, even though the whistle's gone. You didn't hear it. Here you go, the ref hasn't even waited for them to get onside.
Come on,
but anyways, give them a chance, Riff. They just ran nearly 90 metres there. The boys are tired.
And just like us, Adam, the refs have had a long day at the office.
Yep, and it is getting a bit dark out there too. You're not going to be able to see everything here, but they're going to have to run hard here, get down, play the ball, and come straight to the right again.
Great strong run up the middle. He's tackled. 5 metres out.
Plenty of holes here.
Whanganui. Dummies.
Great D.
Can't get through them.
Go left. Gotta go left.
And it's Elias Terry at dummy half. He goes right.
Oh, that's
they're going to go over.
That's a strong carry.
Whanganui score. Tie game. With 5 minutes to go and a conversion to come. Straight over the top of him. And because it's a close game, Whanganui, I must remind you all, there is no golden point in playoff, in round robin games. Only in playoffs. So if this game is a draw at the end of 50 minutes, then it shall stay that way. Both teams will get 2 points.
There was not much happening there either. He was flat-footed when he caught that ball. Just the determination to want to score that point. He could feel the pressure on both teams. They both want to win. This is a big kick.
This kick from Ashby. I put the commentator's curse on him already, so I will shut my mouth as he takes this kick.
I'll tell you what, I feel that he's going to get this one, but he missed that one inside. I feel like he's going to get this one over and put them in front here. What a finish we have now, my man. What a finish. If he gets this, Kotahitanga going to have to go down there. May not take the short kick off. I actually don't. If I go back and think, I don't know why they did a short kick off earlier when they were out in front. When you're out in front, you just want to put the ball down there, make them bring the ball out. So that was a bit of a weird one for me. The ref or the coach will take a look at that overnight and think, if we lose this, where do we go wrong? Oh,
Ashby shanked it at him. You put the curse on him.
I like to see a tough game.
Poor Tsuka Ashby. Twice in this game, he's got the commentator's curse. We're sorry, man.
Sorry, my bro.
3 minutes and 30 seconds to play in the game. Be wary at the whānau. The graphic timer on your screens may not be the correct time because we are playing to the referee's whistle, and a few stoppages in play may result in it being longer.
You got to go long. They should have went long the last kickoff. They should have went long and try to build some pressure on that set, but obviously it's gone now. It's in the past. They got to move on. And they want to go after
carry
him here.
20-metre carry, and he's driven back a bit.
I'll tell you what, I can just see the brothers running around on the field. Just see the brothers. 2 minutes 50 to go.
It's like watching the little kids at the marae running out in front of the whanganui.
Playing bull rush.
They're no stranger to these type of conditions.
Oh! Pick it up. Hold the ball, get your kick.
They lose 10 metres. And Rotorua is unforgiving. It is dark here. We cannot see a thing from our commentary's box. Only a whole lot of jumpers running around.
And a white ball. Just.
There goes Ashby.
Long
sprints it out.
Oh! Oh, he's going to call a knock on.
Oh, the ref calls a knock on.
Here we go.
Here we go, 2 minutes to play about that.
It's good to see Whanganui trying to go after the game anyway. Even though it's 20-all, it's good to see the kids still playing a bit of footy to try and score and win that game there. It's good to see what happens here with Kotahitanga, how they want to play the set out, what position they want to get into to try and take it away. If they're going to go for a drop kick or they're going to try and score, try and take it away from Whanganui.
Once again at te whānau, if you are in Rotorua for this weekend, come down to the Rotorua International Stadium tomorrow. We have 6 fields of games going on where there's good kai, good people and good footy. What more do you need?
Oh.
And tomorrow will be our last day of coverage for a few weeks.
Penalty here. No, they're not.
Oh, the referee calls a penalty. Are they going to take the 2?
We don't have a. I don't know if they're in.
Bring out the inner Geordie Barrett.
Navajo did a kick. He's got a pretty good boot on him. They're going to go for it. Oh no, kick it out. Oh, they didn't back their kicking ability there. Maybe they can't see the post.
Hey, we need lights on the posts.
If you're looking for a target when you're kicking, you're trying to target something, you can't even see the black dot. You can't even see the black dot.
40 seconds left in the game.
What a finish here.
Kotahitanga, they can look to take a shot at field goal. They're in range. We cannot see a thing from where we're standing. They go out right.
They go to the right. Oh! Here he comes.
Comes back in.
I reckon come all the way back out to the left here.
20 seconds to play.
Come to the left.
Once
all the way.
We no goal point allowed. Back.
Hold it. They got to come left again, all the way to the winger.
10 seconds. This is the last play of the game.
They've got to come left there.
They go left.
Benji.
Long pass.
Oh, play
inside.
Oh,
they're gonna go.
Oh, oh, you think surely the ref's gonna give it.
Referee waves it off. No try. It's a draw here in Rotorua.
I could just see his hands waving that off. Oh no,
so unfortunate.
I don't know if anyone at home whānau saw that, but what a finish. The refs have had a tough day and they've been doing a really good job. But what a game, what a finish.
Very, very grueling game. Rugby league is unforgiving. Breaks the hearts of every Kotahitanga fan out here.